They say this city is conservative. They say nights here are quiet. But not tonight. It's Valentine's week in Mashhad, and the streets are alive. Red roses on every corner, gift boxes wrapped in gold and crimson, perfume shops crowded, young couples whispering, choosing, smiling. Some are buying expensive watches, some just a single flower. Different budgets, same heartbeat. This isn't what headlines show you. This is real life, unfolding in real time. In a city known for tradition, love still finds its way into the streets. No filters, no judgments. Just people preparing to surprise someone they care about. Tonight, we walk through Mashhad to see how love looks here. It feels like any other night. Traffic flowing, families walking, stores glowing under white lights. But look at the details. Red roses everywhere, gift bags carefully folded, last-minute shoppers moving fast. Valentine's in Mashhad doesn't shout, it whispers. Some walk in confidently. They know exactly what they want. Others hesitate, comparing prices, checking pockets. One buys a gold bracelet, another chooses a single rose. Different budgets, same intention. In a city shaped by tradition, every public gesture feels amplified. Close, but careful. Affection here is subtle, measured, but real. As the night deepens, the mood changes. The lights feel warmer. Decisions have been made, gifts chosen. Now it's not about buying anymore, it's about giving. And then comes the quiet walk home. A small bag in hand, a single rose protected from the cold. No big celebration, no loud statements. Just a simple human moment. This is Mashhad tonight. Not dramatic, not staged, just real. If you want to see the real streets of Iran, not headlines, not assumptions, just life as it unfolds, subscribe and walk with me. Every night has a different story, and this city still has many to tell.